Hey there, I'm Melanie with Carrier Assure. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to search for a carrier on our platform, plus a few tips to make sure you're getting the best search results possible. The fastest and most accurate way to search for a carrier is by using their MC or DOT number. So be sure to type in the MC or DOT in front of the number before you search to help return the most precise results. Try to avoid searching by carrier name unless you absolutely have to. Names can be quite tricky with slight variations or duplicates. So if you only have the name, I recommend doing a quick Google search to find the carrier's MC number and then plug that into Carrier Assure. Once you click search, you'll instantly find the carrier and you'll see their score from A to F. You can also use our advanced search feature to find carriers by certain equipment types, authority requirements, locations, or other details. We go over this in a separate video, so if this is something you're interested in, be sure to check that out. Just a quick note on who we score. We grade all active interstate carriers in the US, Canada, and Mexico. We do not score conditional, intrastate only, inactive, or enterprise authority carriers. That's it. Log in and start searching carriers today, and if you have any questions, you can reach out to our tech team at tech@carrierassure.com. Thanks for watching.